Welcome from the previous video. So the last function is cot a minus b is equal to cot a cot b plus 1 over cot b minus cot a, where a minus b are multiples of pi. Here the first problem is that cos 47 degree into cos 13 degree minus sin 47 degree into sin 13 degree. This is that is equal to cos 47 degree plus 13 degree, that because this is in the form of cos a plus b, where cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Totally cos 47 plus 13 degree is give rise to cos 60 degree, that is equal to the value of cos 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Find the value of sin 75 degree. Sin, this is in the 75 degree can be splitted as 45 degree plus 30 degree, that is sin a plus b. Sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, like that, where sin 45 into cos 30 plus cos 45 into sin 30, that is 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2, that is equal to root 3 plus 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2, that is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Last problem is that cos 67 degree in into sin 23 degree plus cos 23 degree into sin 67 degree, that is equal to sin 67 plus 23 degree b is equal to sin 90 degree, that is equal to 1, because sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. That's all for this session. You can see the previous video in my YouTube link, which is provided in my description box.